Hi, it's Brooke with WTI.
If you're looking to improve your sleep quality, one thing that's really helped me is using a grounding sheet. Not just any one, but this one by Curacell because it's so comfortable to sleep on and the material is soft as well. It came with an indicator pin that lights up anytime that it is grounded. If it touches material that is not grounded, it will not light up. There is 10% silver infused into this bed sheet and 90% cotton, and this is a 400 thread count sheet and so smooth. It came with this outlet tester as well to make sure your setup is ready to go. And of course it was. The outlet is properly grounded. The cord plugs into the third hole on the bottom and is a long 16.5 feet grounding cable. So I'm able to reach my sheet and snap it in and put that excess underneath the bed. I love the smoothness, how breathable this sheet is. I love that it's soft. I like my skin touching this grounding sheet. Not only is it important to have a grounding sheet if you are someone like me who wants to try it out, but someone who enjoys the texture of the sheet, which I do. I love this one. I also like that its elastic is strong and fits very snug onto my king size bed. And the cable comes off simple, easy with one snap, so I can wash on a cold cycle and tumble dry low for easy maintenance. If you're looking for different options to improve your sleep quality, I know this one has really worked for me. I really love not only all of those possible potential benefits, but I love how I feel when I wake up. And that's saying a lot, especially for me when I'm a busy mom. So I recommend it.
I love this, but that's just my point of view.